Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can insert an animated GIF animation in your Chromebook device. And the process is pretty simple because in Chromebook there is a dedicated tool that allows you to access dozens or maybe millions of different GIF animations that you could use into a presentation, in a document, in a video project, whatever the purpose might be. The GIF animation is just a few clicks away. So in order to do that, first you have to press the keyboard shortcut Search, Shift, and then Space. So there are three keys that you have to press at the same time. And if you don't know where is the location of those keys, you can check your Chromebook keyboard, and the shortcuts are the Search, which is this key, and then Shift, which is the key below it, and then the space bar. So 1, 2, 3, and you have to press them at the same time. So let's try that. I'm going to insert a GIF animation into this presentation by clicking the Search, Shift, and then Space. And you will see this window that lets you access emojis, some characters, but of course we have the access of some really cool and popular GIF animation. Just navigate to the GIFs menu and you'll see plenty of great options. So these are just some trending GIFs, but we can always search something unique, like maybe the picture of Santa flying maybe. So it might take quite a while to search because after all it is pulling data from the internet. And yeah, after that you can insert one of them into your document or whatever project you are working on. Just click on it and the animation will be inserted immediately, which is really cool. So this is one example, and I think this is good enough. And keep in mind that you might need internet access every time you want to use this feature, but I think it's pretty much the idea of Chromebook, which is a device that is always connected to the internet to enhance its features. So that was the first option. The second option is really just downloading a picture from the internet, because GIF after all is just a simple animation. So I'm going to use the second method to get a GIF animation from the internet. I'm going to be copying this animation, which is very popular. It's just right click and then sorry about that, there is this window which is not supposed to appear. Okay, I'm going to right click and click copy image. You can also select save image as, and then you can upload the image to a different tool, but I think copy is often good enough. And after that you can paste the image, the GIF animation, into a different project, into a different tool. And we just need to wait because it is essentially still downloading the item from one place to another. Okay, I still didn't see anything for some reason. It's very unusual. It should appear anytime soon. Okay, let me try that again. Just click paste. Okay, it doesn't work. Okay, that's very interesting because sometimes it does work, sometimes it doesn't, but usually the problem boils down to the source itself. There are some websites that label the content as GIF, but when you are actually right clicking on it and then you want to copy it, it actually wasn't GIF at all, it was a video, and that's why the browser or the device refused to copy the item, because it wasn't a GIF animation, it was a video or maybe something else. So this is happening quite often in some websites, and honestly that's really annoying. So let's try a different website and hopefully this time around we will see something, or maybe not, so that's okay. Well, we can still try a different method by just right clicking and then save the image as something. We're going to save that into the computer. Let's click save, and I'm going to go to my presentation, click insert and select image, and then upload from computer. And I'm going to select the GIF animation file that I just downloaded, this one, and click open. All right, now it is working well. So yeah, that's the two things that you need to remember, that sometimes there are some websites that are not allowing simple copy and paste, so you have to manually download it to your computer or to your Chromebook. But I think these two methods are going to be a great options for inserting GIF animations into your Chromebook. So there you have it. If you found this tutorial video to be helpful, then please consider liking and then subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next tutorial videos.